Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. So what is an aquascape auto doser? We have here an aquascape smart pond dosing system. What this does is this automatically adds your beneficial bacteria, flocculant, a little bit of an algicide to your water to help keep that water crystal clear. This is the smart doser, so you can actually pull this up on your phone. Once it's hooked up to your home Wi-Fi, pull it up on your phone, you can control the gallonage. It'll tell you the amount that's left in your bag, things like that for your dosing system. It'll even tell you when you're getting low and when it's time to replace your bag. Here we have the aquascape iEngine system. This really helps control your string algae. This has a copper probe that goes into moving water. We like to put it inside the skimmer because you know water's coming in through your skimmer, down into your pump. It's pulling the copper ions into the water, into your biofalls, and down your stream. That's going to control your string algae. Do you have to use these two systems together? No. In short answer, together they work best. However, they don't need to be together all the time. This one's going to control water clarity and health of the water. This one's going to control your string algae. So with the copper probe, how long does that copper probe last? It depends on the size of your pond and how much string algae you're getting. So there's a control panel that you can see here on the front. As you get string algae on your rocks, you're going to control that by turning the control panel up. So by doing that, you're going to release more copper into your pond, which is going to deplete the copper probe more quickly. Also, if you have a larger pond, you're going to need to add more copper into the water to keep that string algae in control. With a smaller pond, you could go for a year, maybe 2 years without replacing the copper probe. With a larger pond, you're going to want to replace those at least every year, if not more often. So the same goes with the dosing system. The larger the pond, the more product you're going to use on a monthly basis. That's going to be calculated depending on your gallonage of water, how much product is used, and how fast the dosing bottle or bag empties into the pond. So in summary, together these products work great. However, if you're more concerned about string algae growing on your rocks, this is the product for you. If you're more concerned about water clarity and healthy water, then it's the dosing system.